Welcome, Challenger students, to class today on this Tuesday, the 29th. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're ready to learn some math today. We have a lot to do, like always. So please, and I know yesterday was a really busy day, and I won't do that to you too often, guys, but occasionally we will. But today's back to more of a normal class period. First of all, we're going to have a quiz tomorrow. We're going to talk about that later, so keep your ears open. Next, turn your homework in now at this time. Make sure your name is on your homework, okay? Page 140, these numbers right here, all right? So go ahead and turn your homework in now at this time. Incomplete. Let's see what we have for track 2 here. Let's see. Now, Dakota, I'm not sure what happened. Miss Duke, Mrs. Duke, maybe you can email me and tell me. Or maybe Dakota was absent yesterday. I'm not sure, but he was supposed to take his quiz, so please email me if you get a chance, Mrs. Duke, and let me know what's going on there. And Dakota, these were due also yesterday. So if you were absent yesterday, obviously no problem. You can turn all this in today, okay, and take your quiz today. But if you were there yesterday, then I've got to hear from Mrs. Duke and know what's going on, okay? Caleb and Brindley, I did not get this. It was given on Thursday. And Caleb, Taylor, Brindley, and Dakota, I did not get this. It was given on Friday, okay? So all of this must be turned in by Friday. No, by tomorrow. Because tomorrow's the last day, guys. So that's just how it is. So all of this must be turned in by Wednesday, or they will become permanent zeros, okay? Alright, moving on. Today we will go over what will be on your quiz tomorrow. Then we're going to take some notes and then work on homework. A pretty standard day in geometry. The video today is about proving two lines to be parallel. Now, that sounds like a mistake because we learned 4 ways yesterday to prove lines to be parallel, but it's not a mistake. We are going to learn 2 more ways today to bring the total to 6. Also, we will be learning a couple more postulates and a couple more theorems. The teaching video today is called Lesson 3.6. It's about half the class period, about 23 minutes long, okay? So that's the teaching video for today. The homework that is due tomorrow is, please copy this down and make sure you have it done by tomorrow, okay? Page 147, 2 through 16, all of those, and 19 through 21. Now if I'm going too fast, just have Mrs. Duke pause the video. The help video is called Lesson 3.6 Homework, okay? Lesson 3.6 Homework. You probably will not get it finished in class. You'll probably have to finish it tonight at your house. Now let's talk about what will be on your quiz tomorrow. Please listen carefully so that you're not confused, okay? On Friday, now if you're taking really good notes like I've taught you, and you're organized like I've taught you, you should have no problem with this. Lesson 3.4 was taught on the 25th. That's Friday, okay? Now from that video, any definitions, theorems, corollaries, postulates, I don't think we've had any corollaries yet, but anyways, from this lesson here in your notes, any definitions, postulates, corollaries, theorems, any of those things are fair game for fill in the blanks. Please study, please know them all. Also, any homework problems from lesson 3.4 from Friday's homework is fair game. Please study that stuff. Moving on, yesterday we studied lesson 3.5. Okay, lesson 3.5. Now, that was yesterday, the 28th. Any of those notes, any definitions, postulates, corollaries, theorems, any of those are fair game, and any of the homework is fair game. And then finally, same thing for lesson 3.6. So basically, it's a quiz that covers 3 days material. All right. So lesson 3.6 that was taught that's taught today, the 29th. So what I teach you today, any of your homework from tonight that you're going to work on, any of your notes from today, all of that is fair game for your quiz. Any definitions, postulates, corollaries, theorems, those will be fill in the blanks on the quiz. If I said test, I meant quiz tomorrow, okay? So there you go. You've got it written down right in front of you what's going to be on your quiz tomorrow, okay? Alright, lastly, let's take care of some housekeeping things. Dakota's test now. mark some things wrong, Dakota, on your test that I shouldn't have on the front page to fill in the blanks. Please put your test back in the folder and I will regrade it and raise your grade. Okay? So please take care of that. Now, last year I had a student in track 1, get this, who told me in January that he or she, I'm not going to say who it was, did not have internet at their house. And that was for, this person had gone over a semester without telling me, look, you cannot take this class without A, internet access at your house, or B, telling me so we can get a flash drive and I can I can talk to your parents. You need to buy the flash drive. I'm not going to provide those. You buy the flash drive, you buy 2 of them, and we take turns trading those off every day. My son can trade those with you every day, and I can put on those flash drives the homework assignments so that when you go home you can watch the videos. Look, how in the world can you do your homework and make sure it's right if you're not using the homework videos? So please contact me if that's a problem. We'll work it out, I promise you. And I won't mention your name, okay? But we can